Okie dokie. Let's get this show on the road. Are we ready for today? I'm slightly ready for today. I'm feeling a little bit guilty. I didn't do any exercise this morning. I've been a little bit lazy, which is bad. It's a nice sunny day, so that's why I was like, oh, I just want to chill in the sun for a minute now that it's stopped raining for 5 seconds. Because, oh my gosh. I am kind of sick and tired of the rain. Well, no, I can't say that. I am super glad that it rained. I definitely cannot be upset about the fact that we had rain. I am just, yeah. Just a tad bit over it. Okay. Hey Akash, how's it going? And Crypto Roach, what up? How are you? Are we ready for this day? We appear to be bearish. Cool. Cool. Very much bearish now. Interesting. I see there was a move, but not a hectic move. Especially for New York. New York's been a little bit disappointing recently. Is it just because of news? I don't know, it's been meh. It sounds bad, but it's been meh. You know what, Akash? I cannot complain. It should come now. Boom Banana, give it a second. Need a few more messages and I think chat will pop up. If not, I'm confused. Let's see. Hey, there we go. See? I see your That's how I know it's working. Boom. Only True Trader, hey, how's it going? What? Gold, this is really hot. Gold fell 700 pips and a recovery of 800 pips. Holy moly. Okie dokie then. I mean, that's cool, that's cool. That's insanity. Nope. That's a London high. VWAP there. Awesome source. Okay. I can't believe how much this has dropped. I mean, it's a cool thing, but still. Ciao. Okay. Now the question is, how far down is it going to go? No, why is there so much news today? Oh my gosh, is today going to be terrible? Or is London going to be amazing and New York's just going to be rubbish again? Like it was yesterday. Because yesterday was trash. Damn, Boom Banana, well done. How many hours up did you manage? Rizwan, hi. I cannot complain. Oh, okay, only True Trader? Damn. I mean, this drop here is not bad. I mean, I was watching it happen and I was a little bit concerned because why is it happening before market? Because I heard somewhere, or someone said it the one day, that if there's a lot of movement before market opens, market then tends to be choppy. That could be rubbish. Correct me if I'm wrong. If that is the case, oh, this is gonna suck. Okay. The monkeys are here this morning. Hey, Zar Trader, no. Oh, did you catch it on DAX? That's cool though. More news the better. Why is that, Only True Trader? Why do you think more news the better? So I've never actually heard anyone say that. That's why I'm genuinely curious. Carlos? What? Today got a big range. You think so? Boom. Okay, let's see. If it does, that's awesome for me. Unless it's doing that stuff it did last week where it goes all the way up and then all the way down, and then all the way up and all the way down, because then that's not good for me. So now let me wait for confirmation. Let me just... Right? Let me just confirm. Explain what? This is trading. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. On this side, I have the ES chart open, or the S&P 500, depending on who you are. Ah, Sadiba, hi, how are you? How's it going? Carlos, I hope that answered that. Okay. Volatility is like this open range, but more something day before and if be more cautious. Okay, cool. Hey, Top GG Top, how you doing? How's the trading been going? Okay, so you think today should be fine. Tomorrow, approach with caution. I mean, this is not starting great. I know, I think I had high hopes from this drop, but this is not starting great. Let's see. Let's see, let me check the 15-minute. Holy moly. Okay. Awesome. Ooh, that looks terrible. That's from last week. Ooh, shocking. Let me... Let's do that. That's better. Okay, I think we can say it's pretty bearish, at least for now. Okay. Okay. I'm feeling bearish today, but, you know, I am definitely not always right. I am not going to pretend like I am. What are you guys thinking? Bearish or bullish? What's the bias for you guys today? Indy? Yes, I am. I am from South Africa. Making millions. I'm jealous. Maybe one day when I'm big. Hey, COD. So you think shorts will be in play till... Oh, damn. Okay, cool. Hey, LP, how's it going? And Crypto Roach. Sheesh. Bearish. Okay, cool. Yeah, I know. Okay, wait. COD, you think New York will be when the shorts happen? Why not London? Yesterday London was pumping. Yesterday London was quite fun. Like, properly? Is that a proper thing that's happened, Crypto Roach? I know there was talk about it, but... Yeah, is that real? Is this some fake news going on? The accent, nice. So I'm the other coast, I'm KZN. I mean, I used to be from Pretoria. I only moved down this side of the world. When? August? I haven't been here very long. I must say, beach life is quite fun. Apart from the fact that it's just been raining for the past like 2 weeks. But then again, I cannot complain about... Do you see, I've had conflict going on in my mind. Oh, I need to have a sip of this coffee. This is where we are at. Yeah, that's valid. Only true. Hey, Daddy, what's up? And Kiko, how are we doing today? I'm excited. I need the coffee. That's where we are at. I need the coffee. That's him. There we go. You know when you are awake, but you don't feel awake yet. That's where I'm at. Ooh, Indy, so I'm very close to there. Why did you move to Cape Town? Isn't it like super expensive there? Out of curiosity. Kiko, NQ made bank. Nice. Where's Boom at? Should have full ported together. And Boom apparently got into a short, right, Boom? Boom's there. Boom, where you at? Okay, so Crypto wrote, out of curiosity, what do you think that's gonna mean for the market today? Genuine curiosity. Apparently it means slow, but yeah. Hey, that guy, this is the Nasdaq futures. Hey, Marzia, how are you doing? How's it going? Have you had some good trades already? You haven't started yet. Kiko. I'm good, I'm good. I can't complain. Well, I mean, I've been complaining the whole morning, so maybe I should stop complaining and start focusing, right? Just shush, Maya, let's get going. Oh, thank you. Hey, Hassan, how's it going? Yeah, it's the MNQ, the Nasdaq futures, but the micros to be more specific. Yeah. You want to buy the bottom. I mean, it could be a retracement. This now just looks kind of choppy, which kind of sucks because that was a decent move. I say decent. Okay, let me let me not lie to you guys. Okay, no, 68 points for this time of day is pretty decent. Hey, Markwan, how's it going? And Imatari, hi. So wait, whoa. God, let me get this straight. You enter at opening. What if you get absolutely screwed? Or do you just have a really, I don't know, tiny risk? Basil Gaming, I'm from South Africa. Ooh, okay, Marzia, don't worry. We have got this today. If it cooperates with us, because, I mean, what is this? What is this? That's a little 4-point candle. That is 4 points right there. That is itty bitty. That's an itty bitty baby. Come prove me wrong. Can we please get some movement going? I know it's still early. I must just Usa and calm down, but still. Ooh, Crypto wrote, really? It's looking rough? Why is it looking rough? Get better. Okay. Like my dad over. Hey, Joke Junction, what up? How's it going? Envy, right? I just heard about the shutdown. I'm going to see what happens, or else it's just going to be a chill and chat day, which is not a bad thing, right? We can always learn from watching. Hello. Do you want to come say hi, finally? Are you gonna come say hi? Yep. Okay, whoa. There's a Perry bean! Oh, kind of. Wait, where's your nose? There it is. Yay! Hello! He's finally coming to say hi! Oh my word, okay. It took a while, but he's finally come to say hi. He's normally super shy. Okay, moving on. Are you from Pakistan? Nice. Okay, God, yeah, I was about to say, that's why I was a little bit confused. Oh, and there's a Perry butt. I was a little bit confused because I was like, damn, that's very brave. Thank you for clarifying, because I was about to say, So, God, I trade both London and New York, so I'm here for both. So yes, so I actually started with the New York sessions. Recently, London's been treating me a little bit better. Let's see what happens. Sorry, I'm just... Joke Junction, what up? Do you... which broker am I using? So I'm currently using Tradeify, but I mean, if you want to see all the affiliates and if you want to help a fellow trader out and use my code, that would be amazing. Literally all the affiliates I'm with are in the description. Oh my gosh, such a tough life. Except I think I forgot to add one up trader onto the horizontal. Ooh, I must fix that, but it's on the vertical. Basil, yesterday you exited at a... That's not great. That's not great. Yo, what up? How's it going? And you are from India, cool. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Ooh, are you on the horizontal or the vertical stream? Because on the horizontal, you can see everything. I'm not here to hide things. I'm doing a 50k challenge. I started it, when did I start it? I started it last week, and last week, I'm not gonna lie, last week was very much a red week for me. So far, touch wood, this week has been a green week, but it does mean I'm slowly digging myself up out of the trenches that last week created. Ooh! Am I just your good luck, Kiko? Hey, Shelly. How's it going? Do we have some movement? Or are we just going to keep ranging? Curiosity is getting the best of me. I mean, I just want to see if this is going to keep chip-chopping around. If it does, then I guess just no trades, but... Right? I need to stick to my rules. I need to stick to my rules. Can't go wrong with sticking to the rules. Oh, this coffee is hitting amazing. Okay. I mean, none of this is looking promising. I'm using Project X. Yeah, it's why I started the new 50k challenge, or eval, whatever you want to call it. Because then I was on TradingView, and then I thought, let me move over to Project X, because then you guys can literally see everything. You can see my balance, you can see my P&L, you can see everything. Oh, Basil? I am still baby trader. I call myself baby trader because I'm not yet even a toddler. I'm still figuring things out. I only started trading in April. Okay, anyways, sorry, I just heard a door sliding open. Moving on. So I only started trading in April, and before I got this new eval, I think I was up nearly $2,000, which is not bad. Especially for me, because, yeah. And I had to dig myself up out of that because I had nearly blown the account. So I don't think that's bad. Hey, Colburn? Sorry if I butchered that. Hello from Texas. That is so cool. Hello from South Africa. Hey, John Lee. Well, bro trader, how you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Envy markets are on pause. Yep. Just a little bit. There's not much exciting going on right now, hey? So let's see, maybe we don't get anything today, and that, you know what? It is what it is. Rajiv, you think go for long? Hey, Ace Ventura. Oh, my tattoo. So, I mean, this one is... Oh, sorry, mind the mop of hair. I have a lot of hair. So this is whoop, Sunny. He's a snail with flowers around. So believe it or not, I know it's very random, but he does have a meaning to him, and so do the flowers. So they are peach blossoms. That's to do with my childhood, basically. Oh, but that's good though, your bro trader. I'm glad that you are busy. Jose, how are you doing? Limitless videos. Hey yo, where am I from? South Africa. Ace Ventura, you are welcome. Listen, I actually have a lot of tattoos. Just a lot of them are not visible. And seeming as Ace Ventura, clearly you are new. So I'm gonna tell you what I made a deal. So I made a deal. I'll promise, I guess. So I did try and fulfill my one promise. Now that it's stopped raining, I can maybe try to fulfill that promise properly. Why do I love you so much? Because you are amazing. Anyways. So the one promise, like I said, I did try to fulfill it. I have videographic evidence, was if I got 1,000 subscribers, I would go shark cage diving. Like I said, I did go. Unfortunately, there were no sharks. You know, you can't control the sharks. So I need to go back and do that. I was just waiting for the new month because then the sardine run should be over now, which means higher possibility that there will be sharks. And then the second thing, which I guess I should slowly start figuring out, is I made the deal that when I reach 5,000 subscribers, oh, thank you. And you Prof 23. When I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will get a trading tattoo. But this was the deal. You guys can choose the tattoo. Don't get too excited, right? I'll hear ideas and then I'll pick 4 of the ideas, and then there can be a poll and you guys can pick one of the 4. Whichever one gets the most votes, I will get that tattoo. So be nice. And not only do you guys get to pick the tattoo, you get to pick where it goes. I don't know if that was a dumb idea, but I made that promise literally before I got 1,000 subs. I made that deal and I stick to my promises. So seeming as we are nearly halfway there, I should maybe start thinking about this and setting up a little bit of a poll. Like I said, we are halfway there, which means, I mean, there's still time. I'm only halfway there, but let's see. Rizwan, did I learn? No, actually, I learned the ICT concept, or some of them. Like I said, I don't like strictly just use ICT. I use some of the ICT concepts. I learned it from my friend that introduced me to trading, and they showed me the basics, if you will, and they taught me some of the ICT concepts. Prof 23, where you at? How are you doing? Oh, thanks, Limitless. That's very, very big. Very, very big. Very, very sweet. What? Sorry. Brain is working faster than mouth is speaking right now. Oh, thanks. Only true trader? No. What is that? Joke junction, my leverage. Ooh. Sorry, those are the monkeys again. Gosh. Boom Banana, what do I think is gonna happen? Well, right now it looks like it's just going to chop. I have, I don't know, so I had a very bearish bias going into this. But now, I mean, it might pop up these fair value gaps. I really don't know. I don't even want to try and pretend to know what it's going to do. Because, I mean, it could just keep melting. It could be just building some liquidity for a big movement. Aw, thanks. Max 123. I've touched base on them. I don't want to lie and be like, yeah, I'm an expert. But I've touched base on them. Max 123. There we go. Aw, really? Aw, I love tech. That's awesome. Hey, Thomas K. Why are you awake? But I'm glad you came to join. Ooh, nice. Okay. Prof 23, that is amazing. So you're looking at the Nasdaq. Awesome. So I'm on, well, as you can see, I'm on the Nasdaq, but just the micros. Just because, like I said, let's not blow through capital until a little bit more confident, right? Okay, wait. Let me focus on what Only True Trader just said. Basically, okay. Only True Trader, and then what about that? Or is that just something? Kiko, no, I didn't. I did not. I did not. I arrived just in time for the chop. So that's fun. That's lots of fun for me. Hey, Zane Trades. No. Unfortunately, I do not trade the chop, and I only hopped on at 9 AM at my time, which, yeah, was nearly 30 minutes ago, but we have been chopping for 30 minutes. I swear these are getting smaller. How big is this little dude? Dunk. Dunk. Oh, yep. Wait, there. Okay. Yeah, okay. Still 4 points. Wait, here we go. Who go up? Boom Banana, what do you think it's gonna do? I love tech, yeah. And order blocks can be amazing. So I used to, before this strategy, actually this was probably like 2 strategies ago, I used to just do order block. Literally just order block. That was it. I would have oh, I can't find a good one now. I mean, you could say this one. It's not the best example, but, and the problem with this was it was just a 1-to-1 R trade. Essentially, I would have order block set up. I would say, cool, it's going to tap into the order block at 1-to-1. There. That would be the trade. Like I said, super basic and super simple. And the only problem was, I think it had like a 45% win rate, which with a 1-to-1 R is not great. Then you have, you know, you're in loss, you're not in profit. But that's literally one of the strategies I started with. Corrupted, do I really love you? I mean, why not? Unless you're a terrible person to animals. Then, no. You would use a suspension block. Oh! Oh, I'm missing things. Only true trader. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit slow on reading these because I was going on a rant. Yeah. Sorry, you're gonna get rant part 2. When I started and I found, I was like, oh, I've just figured something out. And then naturally something else will pop up and it would be a disaster. I'd be like, but I just learned this. Why is there more things now? Why? Yeah. So it just felt, as I learned one thing, something else will come up, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is just information overload. Out of curiosity, here, I actually found this nice little order block here. Obviously you can also use the higher time frames, but there we go. Tapped around the 50%, you could see, tapped into the 50% and is now popping up. Like I said, that is a super basic one. I missed a hello from TradeStar Hindi. Hi. Hiko, you think it's going to be the fair value gap bill? Yeah. I think so. It's just gonna take forever to do it. I love tech. What's your RR again? And I am from South Africa. Sorry, I'm going back up. Yeah, only true traders, like you said, if you stick to one thing that you understand, you're good. Hey, Wasim, how's it going? And Johnny9, heyo. No. That was my old strategy. However, that being said, I know Boom Banana trades using order blocks and other factors, but, you know, he uses order blocks and he's very successful. So if you see them and you know what a good one is and you... Ooh, do we have movement? Maybe. I just wanted to get out of this range. Okay, are the ones that overlap with... Yeah, only true trader... So for me, overlap with the fair value gap is a doji and is the opposite color. So, you know, if the fair value gap is green, if that doji is red, for me that's like an A+ order block. Mr. Plow, spend a year on linear projections and learn Elliott. Okay, I've heard quite a bit about this Elliott. It's the Elliott wave, right? Is that, am I wrong here? Kiwi Steve! Hey, how's it going? It's the more Australian South African. You know what's so funny? I was thinking of that when I put on, because I don't actually normally wear dresses, but unfortunately my car's going in to get fixed today. So I can't go to the horses, and it's a sunny day, which kind of sucks. It means it would be a great day to go to the horses. But as I put this on, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be called a nun again. I can see it. I can see I'm gonna be called a nun again. Hey Melvin, how's it going? Yeah, 1-to-1 Rs. I love tech. I think if you have a really good win rate, they can be solid. Unfortunately, if they are anything below, well, actually anything 50% and below, you're just never going to be profitable. In my opinion. Putting it out there. Sorry. I am so sorry if I've missed any messages. You guys are super chatty today. It's because this market's so boring, right? Yeah. But it's fine because you guys are keeping me entertained. I love it. Oh, I love tech. That makes sense. That makes sense. That does make sense. Okay, I got it. I got it. I love tech. Could you not have... what's it called? Sorry, I've only started learning about it recently and obviously doing it recently. I did it for the first time yesterday with Boom, where you take partials. There we go. So if you have like 4 contracts at the 1 hour, take 2 and then keep the other 2 where you would want TP to be. I don't know. Are you able to do that? Only true trader, right? Banana, you are welcome. Not the first nice thing. I am nice to you sometimes. Yeah, David, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. When I did it, I was like, I'm gonna... But that's why I guess it kind of looks white. I was like, I'm not gonna wear the white headband. I'll wear, I guess it's a light pink, but still. So Elliott waves, oh my gosh. Elliott waves are similar to Fib, really? Okay. And Fib is similar to Gann, so winning. Okay, moving. I'm sorry, that was so lame. I love tech, 60% win rate. That's not bad though. It will become profitable, it just might take a while, right? It's a little bit like mine right now. Hey Roman, how's it going? Either need higher probability or higher... Okay, again, I love tech. Please, obviously, you know, you've been watching the journey. You know I don't know everything, but from what I've realized or from what I've heard, yes, yeah. Apparently someone who... Only true trader, did you not go and chat GPT this with regards to what is better, having a lower RR with higher win rates or bigger R, that made sense, with, you know, 1 or 2 wins here and there? David, thank you. What do you trade, David? The Nun Lady. Gosh, am I gonna have to change the name to Maya the Nun Lady? Ooh, nice. Okay, Thomas. Yeah, 100%. I mean, I love tech. Why not? Because then if it does hit, then you've got it anyways, right? You're in the green regardless. And then maybe once it has hit the 1R, you move it to break even. So then if it does come back down and take you out, it hits your break even. So it doesn't matter, you're still in the green. And if it does just keep going up, then you're winning, right? Does that make sense? I hope that helps. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, you leave a runner. There we go. That's it. I love tech. Hey, Kyle. I do not know. I'm in all honesty just waiting for it to stop chopping. That's where I'm at right now. I'm just waiting for the chop to stop. Yeah, there we go. There's another t-shirt idea. Just waiting for the chop to stop. Because this is excruciating right now. Yeah, see, Thomas K, but that's... So, to be fair, ChatGPT agreed with you. So I was like, that's interesting. I kind of thought... Because, like, I mean, on days like this, with the chops, where you could probably get, what, like 5 potential winning trades in if you have a lower R? Again, I could be talking rubbish, guys. Please, I'm sorry if I'm talking rubbish. Please feel free to correct me. Just correct me nicely. I'm sensitive. I'm just throwing out what I've kind of heard or kind of realized. Oh, was it Geordie or Solly? Ah, sorry. Don't trade. No. Also, hi, crypto bits. Rajiv, you think long still? And I flex high? Oh, thank you. You trade supply and demand, I flex. Thomas K, what? Are you serious? With a 17% win rate. Yeah, only two traded that. Yeah. Oh, I guess that. Yeah. Hey, Darren, what's up? I'm good, thanks, and you? GG, I don't know what that means. Moving on. Come to Australia? I would love to. Australia sounds like so much fun. See, no. Do you get the 30 seconds? I don't get the 30 seconds. I think that's the problem. Oh, see? We have some people thinking it's gonna go up now and some people thinking it's gonna go down. So, I mean, I do trade. Wait, give me 2 seconds. I'm just double checking. An email. Okay, done. Okay, so Thomas, you trade 3. Oh, wow. Razwan, do I like reading books? I actually do. I've been really bad recently. I haven't been reading books, which is a problem. I should start again. I think brain rot is sometimes a little bit easier to just zone out, but that's a bad thing. Don't do that. So I mean, I do actually trade auction market theory. Is that not similar to again, please correct me if I'm wrong. Where did it go? To supply and demand? Kind of. I know it's more to do with discount and deep discount and premium, but Darius, hi. Okay, Thomas K, you've read lots of trading books. I mean, that helps, right? It helps to read lots of trading books. Okay, nope. Damn, Yesh. What's your R, by the way? Tanha, short sell. Green Emerald Frog. I agree with you. I do agree with you. It's just when the heck is it going to happen, right? I thought it might retrace back into here, in which case this. I mean, that's not what do people want today? Oh my gosh. Like, it's enough. There we go. Honestly. Hey Lizzie, what up? Thanks, Prof23. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking Prof, you just want to see me get a tattoo. Don't you? That's the real reason. Prof is just here going, haha. Boomanana, do you think New York's gonna be any better? What time is news? There's news happening later. I see there's news at like 2:15, sorry, South Africa time. 2:15 at 3:45 and at 4. Holy moly. Wow. Okay. I mean, No, just nothing works. I was gonna say, maybe if I zoom in, some of these trades could be winners, but no, not. Do not trade in the top. GJ, what up? David, looks like it's retesting the recent support. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, here's the 50%. Let me check on a higher time frame also, by the way. Ew. Yeah, this is a massive fair value gap. What does it look like on the 15? Holy cow. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Was that the retest done though? I mean, here's a decent little doji going on there as well. I mean, this is just ranging. I can't do anything when it's like this, unfortunately, but that's fine. It means we guys, we all get to chill and discuss the markets, which is amazing. Only two trader? Yeah, London's looking disgusting. I don't even think rough is a right word. Rajiv, you just made $950. Well done. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. Ah, Santiago, thank you. And Tanya Lewis, that's why you predicted a short sell. Okay, because you're waiting for it to retest up and then go back down, right? Yeah, Tanya, I see how the price is dropping. 200 likes gets it. Wow. Oh, interesting. Interesting, Prof. Visually, it looks like a secondary micro bear channel. Yeah, no, 100. Only two trader. Trading chop is just not worth it. Sometimes there might be some little wins. Not even actually. I don't see one that would have been a win. I mean, this, I don't even think this would have gone high enough. No, I would have followed it there. Nope, this wouldn't have even tagged me in. Nope, just not worth it. Not worth trading in the chop. 100%. $847 global? How old do you think I am? Be careful. So, Prof 23, 200 likes, she lets Boom pick the tattoo. Yeah, only true trader, that's why I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that one, I'm just saying. So, Prof 23, sorry guys, I'm sorry. I apologize in advance. So, this is why I've actually thoroughly been enjoying trading. So I'm a horse rider and I love my horses, and I think part of the reason why I enjoy horse riding so much is that you can never stop learning, and I personally don't think you can ever perfect it, because obviously, you know, it's a living creature, things happen, it's completely out of your control. You're going to always keep learning, keep figuring out new things, and just when you think you figured out something, you know, life happens and then you have to go and test it again, which is very much like trading. Just when you think you've figured it out, it comes and humbles you, and you have to go back to the drawing board and go do some back testing again, go do some research, go do some reading. I don't know, I feel like it just keeps you engaged and keeps you focused. Yeah? Sorry, little rant over about me. Oh, okay, got it, David. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 847 Global, marry you. Where you at? Oh, okay, Nvidia. Wait, is gold going up? So correct me if I'm wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Does gold and futures always do, or Nasdaq at least, do they always do the opposite? I've come to realize when everyone says gold is pumping, Nasdaq tends to be dropping, and when everyone says gold is dropping, Nasdaq seems to start pumping. Is that a thing? Out of curiosity. Felix, what's looking disgusting about London session exactly? Literally just the chop. It's disgusting for me because I cannot trade the chop. So I know for some people, maybe they love chop. I am not one of those people. Oh, interesting, Tanya. How long have you been trading for? So pull back and just had to take it, aiming for the highs. Nice, okay. JG31, I was about to be like, I was like, damn, I'm actually getting close. I'm 20, turning 27. I'm not 27 yet, but I'm getting there. You would pick something nice. I feel like Boomerang is lying. Give me one idea that you have that is nice. Mm-hmm. To confirm. Tanya, so what, Tanya, what, English, what strategy do you use? It's your pride and joy. Yeah, that makes sense. My main trading, sorry guys, I'm getting I'm so sorry. I know I'm like super behind right now. I'm just responding quickly. Main trading session and strategy. So Kyle, my main trading session, to be fair, it has been London, but London today is not great for my strategy. So I tend to have, as I said, auction market theory. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice today. I'm so sorry, guys. This is going to be very entertaining. I apologize if I sound squeaky. I feel fine. I'm not sick, but my voice is just exiting the building. Oh, like I said, today, not great. Let me go. Let's go back. Let's go find. That was a break even. I mean, this one here would have been a win. Obviously, there's a lot more that goes into it. There is a lot more that goes into it, but essentially, take my GAN. Yeah, that would have been quite a nice quick win, actually. Oh, this range would have won twice. So take the GAN. Like I said, there's a bunch of confluences that go into it. It's not just range, boom, there it is, done and dusted. I also drew that like an absolute. No, I didn't. There, bottom of the range, top of the range, 50% entry level. And then 2R up is my TP. Oh, sorry, and 30% of the 50% is stop loss. So here I can just quickly tell, I mean, there's the fair value gap as protection. You've got VWAP. I would have to check. I mean, there's the shelf, and potentially I would have to double check about a potential order block as well. But with all this consolidation here, I'm sure that there was a pretty decent order block as protection for the trade. So it came back down into the fair value gap, popped up, easy cheesy, right? Same would have been for this range. Check, popped in at the 50%, sat on VWAP and up for a 2-hour win. That would have been amazing. Damn. Am I amazing yet at trading? Hell no. I'm not even gonna pretend like I am. Okay, oh my goodness. I have missed so many things. Center YOLO short. Nice, okay. Nice, Thomas. Okay. Not always in verse, yeah? Okay, theoretically yes, but not always. Okay, thanks guys. I was sorry, we're going back to the gold. I know that. Thank you. Because it was just something I noticed and I wasn't sure if it was actually a thing or not. What am I drinking? I'm drinking coffee. Yeah. I need coffee. And Tanya, you've been trading for 2 years. Wow, that's not very young. Not very young. That's not very long. That's awesome. Oh, wait. I feel like I missed Boom Banana's idea. Boom Banana, you didn't send your idea. What would it be? Tanya, yeah. I'm asking about your strategy. Aw, thanks. Thanks, GJ. Yoda, I'm not a fan of makeup. So I do the bare minimum. I mean, I'm not wearing anything. I don't know how to prove that, but I mean, I have a white thing here. So. Totally not valid. Yeah. What am I editing? I'm not editing anything. Anyways. You're trying short on this range, really? Okay, LP, like I said, I'm not messing with the chop. So LP, you're trying this, right? I'm curious, let's see. I have hiccups now, but I'm not messing with this chop. I've tried it a few times. It's just not worth it. Only true trader I have looked at OTE. I have. It just wasn't, I don't know. It just didn't click, if that makes sense. So there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. I just wasn't seeing what I feel I should have been seeing. Hey, Prince. I think, which is better, scalping, day trading, or swing trading? I think it genuinely depends on the person and their preferences. I don't think there's a... Yeah. I think that's it. Where am I streaming from? A few places. Why? I'm streaming from my home. Sorry, that was very lame. Nasdaq Ninja. Sell top of the range. First red candle close in the range and target the most recent low. Really? Also, really cool name, by the way. Boom Banana, what would your idea be? I didn't see, you didn't send anything. What would your cool idea be for a tattoo that is nice and not mean? Strategies, Fib, and SNR. Oh, cool. And I am from South Africa. Sometimes fair value. Okay, interesting. Aw, thanks, Prof23. You're amazing. I'm a troll. Nice. Okay, so see how the overall structure is an arch? Sure, yeah, what about it? BP, today is just not great. Yesterday there was actually really decent movement. Today, however, not so much. Ooh, okay, LP. Yeah. I'm not feeling this. Okay, Libra, you think longs look good. BP, yesterday was quite a good session. Muted, that's interesting. What kind of coffee? Just black coffee. I know, this is my bottomless mug. Gibraham, I've only been trading since April. No, LP, there it goes. Well, is it going? Is it just wicking down? It might just be wicking down. Let's see. No. Oh, Banana, please don't take this the wrong way. But hell no. Okay. Prop23. I mean, yeah. Do I stream every day? Yes, I do. I stream every day, both London and New York session. The benefits of being in South Africa. Trading is during the day here. It's amazing. Both London and New York sessions. I mean, it's only 10 a.m. here. And then New York is 3:30 p.m. Ah, there it goes, LP. Oh, let's see. Okay, so it was the hour close. Can we please just get out of this range? Please? Also, it might just be a no trade morning today. And I mean, that's fine, right? Right? I need to just keep reminding myself it's a day trader, not an everyday trader, right? Yes. Focus. Okay, go for it, David. Go, 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 go. Freeview, what do I think of Sentient? I don't even know if I said that right. I have no opinion on it because I don't even know what that is. Sorry, but chat, what do you guys think? Yeah. If I do not know things, I can guarantee you chat knows quite a bit. I should actually stop calling you guys chat. You guys are community. Community, what do you guys think? Oh, BP? No. South Africa, it is. Looks like a bear flag. This is just a massive bear flag. Also, hey Stanham, how you doing? Okay, Mr. Plow thinks longs look good. Stangham thinks it's a bear flag, which means it should be going down soon. Man, I don't know. Okay, cool. GJ, no idea. I have no idea. It's just coffee. What? Okay, Tanya, interesting. Oh, Mr. Plow. Why do you think I'm here, my man? I'm using Project X. I'm with Tradeify currently. Yeah. No, not funded yet. I'm still doing an eval. Like I said, still learning. Libra FX, I use ICT concepts. I don't like exclusively use ICT. Hope that helps a little bit. Hey, that's nice, Stangham. Okay, how's the trading been going, by the way? Okay. Trading is all about probabilities. We're in a clear downtrend, so you need to try to catch a liquidity sweep of the range and target the most recent low. I mean, Nasdaq Ninja, I'm not disagreeing. However, I am trying really hard to stay disciplined, right? Mental is a big part. The mentality, there we go. The mental strength, there we go, is a big part of trading, right? And one of the rules is do not trade and chop. It's not worth it. I mean, nothing here would have been a win with my strategy, at least. So just definitely not worth it for me to trade any of this. So I'm not. Sweet and simple, because normally I would definitely want to just YOLO or FOMO, a bit of both. FOMO and then YOLO, which is bad. Do not do that. Oh my gosh, I do. JG, I'm so sorry. I'm actually not. I think my brain is, I don't know. I'm waking up. What time do I trade New York session? Local time. So, I mean, EST time. It opens 9:30. I tend to start streaming at 9:15 EST time. Okchom? How long have I been in trading? Only since April. How long ago did I start the stream? Today? I started at 9 a.m. my time, which is basically like an hour and 5 minutes ago, and basically nothing has happened that I can use. So, probably a no trade morning for me. Let's see what New York brings. Maybe New York will have some decent moves, but I still have some time, right? Mr. Plow, learn more. My man, again, why do you think this is called Teach My Trading? Oh, come on, open. Problem solved. So there's the lower low, which could have been used as an entry for a quite long scalp. So the only reason I don't do those is because so before this strategy, I tried the market buy, market sell at a specific point thing. Disaster. I think I nearly went through an eval in like 4 days. It was absolutely terrible because the emotions just kicked in. So for me, it's actually not worth it. If I do market orders or market buy, you know, it's not great. It just doesn't work out for me. Okay, meaning the high and low that has not been taken out. Yeah. But that's exactly it. I'm waiting for it to move past essentially. Let me make a little box right here. Essentially here. I'm waiting for it to move out of this range. It has not moved anywhere. So, oh wait. Just because I said that, maybe something will happen. No. Ah, JG, thank you. There we go. I nailed it. Envy, what happened? Gold loves you. Tanya, yeah. It's not great. Like I said, this is just not great. RST, hi, thank you. Yeah, I mean, so you'll see them pop up now. Literally every single prop that I'm affiliated with, so you can also check the description, all the links are there. All of them support South Africa, which is awesome. And Traderfy as well. Sorry, so I'm actually using Traderfy, but there we go. Here's some. All of them support South Africa. And if you want, you can use my code. Help me out, which would be awesome. And yeah, like I said. So as a South African, all the affiliates support South Africa, which helps a lot. Oh my greatness, I'm sorry, I keep missing things. Okay. Again, apologies if I missed anything. Dang, but look at the high that swept left. Yeah, but that's what I'm waiting for, Thomas. I'm waiting for something out of there. David, do you think this wants to pop up again? Mm-hmm. This one, yeah. This high that was swept left, I see it. Yeah, Felix, probably, but that's where the mental part comes in, right? Oh, that's okay, David. You do you. Oh, thanks, Boom. Okay, got it, Stangham. Got it. So start analysis from a higher time frame. Which higher time frame do you use? Spectrum? I don't know if I'm saying that properly, sorry. See, this is why I always find it so interesting. It's always like this on NFP week. Yeah, Libra, like I said, unfortunately, I think it's just not going to be a trade warning. None of these would have worked. Yeah, not one single trade would have worked here. It's not worth... What? Okay, it's not here, but he says, you know, don't diddle in the middle. It's just not worth it. Unless you have a strategy that works for this, then, like I said, amazing. Well done, you lucky fish. I do not. So, I just don't do it. Ooh, nice, NV. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Yeah, Tanya, but buyers definitely are. But... Tanya, are you in a trade? Okay, Thomas, what will... Okay. Ooh, okay. Fresh gold. Staying up... No, I hear you. But again, like I said, for me, that feels like, does it not need... I guess you could have a stop. No. Would you market buy or sell in on those trades? Staying up. Hey, Jordy, how's it going? Yeah. I'm trading with Narish. Hey, how are you? Oh, that's interesting, Thomas. Okay. I'm gonna... Where are those ranges that you had? Oh, Tanya, I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. There we go. And Jensen, there we go. So this is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. And QW, this is the 1 minute. And you just target the 50%. Oh, okay, got it, Tanya. Got it. I was about to say, like, damn. Okay, you think at least 245.60 today? I mean, Emerald Frog, you're not wrong. Let's... Libra, so I always try to get my 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, my strategy is a 1 to 2 hour strat. Hey Sandra, good morning from South Africa. How's it going? Yeah. Tanya, what are you on? And Trade Delicious. Hey yo, how are you doing? Stangham, why? I am. I'm having a look at all the things, and you saying it's bearish. Yeah. Boom Banana, London Chop Festival. Yeah, where are my chopsticks at? Just because I think I'm funny. Anyways, the 50% of training. Ooh, okay, see. So you aiming for that 2.5 rate. When I am, how do I put this? When I'm better disciplined at taking my strategy, then I might up the R's a little bit, but I need to, yeah, like I said, I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out. I'm not here claiming I am amazing. That's why I have everything up for everyone to see. I'm not the best trader. I'm still learning things. I'm still figuring things out. I've only been trading since April. I know some people are profitable already. Cool. Look at the high outside your box left. This one? Yeah. Oh, really, Tanya? Interesting. Ooh, okay, David, let's check the 5 minute out of pure curiosity. 5 minute. Oh, chopsticks. Oh. Actually, yeah. Huh. So it could be, we think, a bearish flag? Is that what, yeah? I don't know. I need to put noodle up there, yep. Yeah, Stangham, me and you are very opposite there. Oh, yeah, there we go, Boom Banana, I'll do that. Oh, okay, so this is the inversion level. Interesting. I'm thinking probably a bullish buy session. Really, Thomas? Why? Why do you think that? See? Hey, scalper. Yeah, see, like, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot that goes on. And apparently it hasn't been the best year for trading. I obviously don't know. I've just been told. Interesting. Hell yes, scalper. It is indeed. But so wait. Tanya, the descending candle, is that the same as a bear flag? Yeah? Is that what it is? Prop 23. Yeah. So, but that's why I asked. I'm like, why do you guys think this, or this? And a majority of the times, what you guys are seeing is completely valid. That's why I always say it's so interesting for me to see that everyone is looking at the same chart. Well, most of us, I think, are looking at the same chart and seeing completely different things. And someone's going to be right and someone's going to be wrong. And maybe you will be right, it just might do a pump up first. You know, it all depends on the time frame that you're trading, your strategy that you're using. Again, I kind of want to say the timing as well, because it could go up after it potentially, like Stangham said, goes down and takes a low. Or it could just keep pumping up because it's wanting to get the fair value gap. You know, everything is valid, but it's why I do not chop in the trade and I wait for confirmation of trend. And right now for me, this does not count as trend, especially in the 1 minute. It might be trending in the higher time frames, but obviously I'm trading the 1 minute, so this is not trend. This is sideways. I do not trade sideways. I do not have a strategy that works for sideways. Someone asked, what am I trying to figure out? Wait. Hey, Timo Lover, how's it going? Ooh. Time out. What's a wedging coil, Ronnie? But Maya's always right. No, I'm not. Boom. Why are you lying? I'm not always right. Take the camera outside. What? I don't think it can go that far, unfortunately. Sorry. Yeah. Expecting a fake breakout lower to get retail short and then go up. Interesting. Oh, it has to do with clock. Oh, thank you, Stangam. Thank you. Boom, banana, my horses are not outside. I wish. That would be amazing. No, I have to drive there every day. It's like a 30-minute drive to go and see my horses. Ronnie? Yes, I did see that. David brought it up, the 5-minute chart. But then, which way do you think it's going to pop out of the coil? That's the question. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. Boom, banana, you'll be taking over. What? Boom, you're making jokes. Oh. Sorry, so the door slammed because there's a lot of wind and locked my dog out. So he was super upset. Okay. Okay, Tanya. So it is. For sweep of liquidity to form the upside, then look good for shorts. Okay, so that's what Boom thinks. But when is that going to happen? Right, probably only New York at this point. Hey, future trading. Yep. Boom here coming. He thinks he's here for one stream and he's like, this is my channel now. Anyways. Do I only watch one market? QW, so I mean, yes and no. I got MNQ here and I have ES here on the side. They're both looking pretty much the same. Oh, don't lie there. Okay, I'll lie there, that's fine. Oh, Stangham, sorry, I missed a... Oh, there we go. New contract. Want to see a move and downside first. Okay. Gotta break the 1D fair value gap for serious bearish movement. Thomas K. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, boom. Okay, let's see. Yeah, guys, sorry. This is... I apologize. I know it doesn't always happen, but I did say when I literally just popped on, I said, oh, I think it's going to be ranging. Well, not ranging. I think it's going to be choppy today because of this drop down before market opened. I don't know. Someone mentioned it the other day before New York, and I'd never noticed it before. But they had a point. I think it was Dark Angel. So I was like, interesting. She mentioned, I think, maybe it wasn't Dark Angel. But yeah, she mentioned that with the drop down before market opens, it tends to mean it's gonna be choppy during the session. So I saw this and I was like, nah. But it was, you see, you learn things. Every time you trade, you learn things. I mean, this is only one, well, I guess 2 instances. So I can't say this is like 100% for sure thing. Are we doing something? Nope, not yet. Ooh. Hell yeah, boom, obviously. Hey, Sam! Of course I do. How's it going? Michael S. Good question. Probably. Fab, what's beautiful? The charts. Yeah, sure. Oh, Kev G, I've heard gold is amazing. No, see, I need to stop. I've been curious. I've been kind of wanting to maybe potentially start looking at trading gold. But I told myself I need to be good at one. I need to be better before I start jumping around and maybe confusing myself. So I need to get better with the Nasdaq futures before I start looking into that. But I did, for funsies, like hop on it now and then and check out my setup, and it actually would have worked. So I was like, oh, this could be quite cool. So it's October, it's still in. I mean, wait. Hey guys! The 1st of October! Happy October! Is it spooky season? I guess it depends. Cool fab? What? What do you mean? Ooh, David, I mean, let's... Like I said, I'm waiting for it to just stop being in... Ooh, hello, maybe. This could be it. Kev G, how's it going? Yeah, only good, Sam. How's the trading been? Aw, Sam, thank you. No, I'm good now. I'm good. Sam, it is... It is now exactly 10:30 in the morning, and I'm in South Africa. Hey Dan, what up? Zah, whoop whoop for gold. Time for breakfast. Hey Zah, how are you doing, by the way? %, Kev. 100%. Fab. Okay, anyways. Ah, there we go. We got a boom. Thomas K, yeah, go sleep. Hopefully, yeah, see you. Yeah, hopefully see you in the New York session. Oh, oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. But I mean, oh, hello. Oh my gosh, we're finally out. Is it gonna tap into this fair value gap? Which time frame? It was the 5 minute. The 5 minute was really great. Was it the 5 or the 15? Okay, the chopsticks can go away now. Okay, we finally broke out. Is it gonna stay out or is it gonna pop back into the range? Is it 15 minute? Ah, there it is. Ooh. Terrible. I mean, this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm just gonna draw this. I mean, it's about to tap into it. I lie? 'Cause I drew that like an idiot. Let's see. Sorry, I know there's like too much going on now, but I'm genuinely curious to see what happens. Right, every day is a learning opportunity, even if you don't get any trades in. I need to just remind myself that it's, like I've said it a few times before because I need to remind myself it's day trader, not everyday trader. Hey, Ronnie, right? Okay. Jack? Yeah, a little bit. Sam, that's cool. Thank you. Yeah, I've come to realize. Oh, it's heading up. So, Sam, yes and no. It's been cold and rainy the last, like, week, which is not a bad thing. We needed the rain. I complain. It's what I do. But today, yes, it's nice and hot. But I have a sneaky suspicion clouds are gonna come back, but it is what it is. Currently at Fib and VWAP, yeah. Sam, no, what's that? What's network bull? Oh, no, New York bull. No, well, I may have heard it, but maybe it had a different name. Explain, please? Where was this range that I drew earlier? Was here. Again, this is genuinely out of curiosity. I think the stop loss is a little bit too toit though. And I mean, that's nearly 40 points. Really? Bear flag in a discount. Retail traders wrecked. Hamza, futures. Prof 23, well, I mean, this is Project X. Right, Green Emerald. I mean, it was collecting a bunch here, so I was expecting something crazy. Expect nothing less from the markets nowadays. Always gonna be something cray cray. And yes, I just said cray cray. I know, I'm aware, but now, see, let's maybe zoom in a little bit. Here we go. Sorry, I know there's a lot of lines and an N. David, this is where we find if it's a fake out. Yes. Erica, that sucks. Okay, Sam, I'm gonna have a look. That sounds very interesting. I will go and do some research. Oh, Roshan, I mean, I think it's supposed to be easier than what I do. Boom Banana says you could theoretically just drag. I have to be, no, I don't have to. So let's say I wanted to be in this. I would have made it a limit sell. Let me do that. It would have been a limit sell. Okay. And then obviously you pick however many contracts you want in that limit buy or limit sell. Then for stop loss, because it was a limit sell, you would have to make it a stop buy. Yes. The stop buy for the same amount of contracts that you obviously did your limit sell for. And then for the TP, you would then just do a limit buy. Again, for the same amount of contracts. That's, yeah. That's how I do it. I think there's supposed to be an easier way. Like I said, I've only really been using this for a week, not even. I think this is a week, but yeah. I've only been using this for a week. Apparently when you're in this, you should be able to just drag your stop and your TP. But my brackets are off. So I do that. And obviously if it was a buy, you would do a stop limit and a stop. No, that's not right. A sell stop and a sell limit. You just do the opposite. Raincoat chart. I haven't even heard of raincoat chart random videos, RW. Have I ever used a funded account? No. Hey, Eli, how's it going? Okay. Sam, how's the life of a trader? I mean, quite fun, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, Carla, what up? How's it going? Like I said, this is not ideal right now. And now this is where it's going to decide. It's either going to keep going down. Now let's tap the fair value gap. I mean, the 1 hour fair value gap's a little bit higher, but let's see if it keeps searching for that or if it's now going to go down. Okay, random videos. Yeah. Has anyone else heard of Renko chart? Is it good? She has no life but numbers. Grey Wolf, that do be a lie. I got pretty ponies and a cute puppy. I don't know what you're talking about. I think that's a pretty good life. And coffee. We cannot forget about coffee. And anime. Just saying. And I want to say gaming. I haven't been gaming recently, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Erica A, damn! What the heck? You made 100k in one day? So Erica A, I'm definitely not at that level yet. I'm not even gonna pretend like I'm at that level yet. But the most has probably been like 1,600 in a day, just because, I mean, like I said, I'm on the micros. So yeah, MNQ. Don't want to blow through as much capital while I'm still figuring things out. Cheers, Boom. Hopefully you maybe go get some sleep. By the way, your cat looks adorable in her dress. I'm just saying. Stangam trading. Yeah, not a great one. But yeah. Penny stock pump. Right. I would love that. We were having this discussion yesterday. I mean, 100,000, I can't even wrap my head around, but so yesterday I was up like, I was in the green by $100, which I know here sounds like pennies and is not a lot, but then I went and I checked out how much That is in South Africa. That's like 1,500 and something. I may have butchered the amount, but it's 1,500 and something rand, which is quite a decent amount. Shamo, hell yeah, I'm South African. I mean, I am streaming on it. Erica, yeah, I guess that's the thing. While finding out that when there will be losses along the way, here we go. Okay, has it decided that it's now bullish, or is this still a bit of a fake out on a higher time frame? Ah, that's out of channel. Future trading, you think just wait for the sells, not buys, please. Okay. You really think it's gonna start popping back down? It's not gonna keep going for... I mean, it's filling the gap, right? This is a bit of a gap fill happening currently. Trader baddie? Like I'm bad at trading? No. Shamos, I don't actually trade Forex, so you're gonna have to ask the community about that one. Oh, hey Black Rose, how's it going? Oh, okay, why? What's wrong with Renko? Has to get above 32 to even look at being a buy. Okay, so where my stop loss would have been. I mean, a little bit above it, but yeah. You got it? What's the matter? Your bed is right there. No one told you to sleep on the floor. Oh my gosh, my dog's looking at me and complaining because he decided to lie down on the floor where his bed is literally 2 meters away from me. But anyways. Ooh, David, that's right. That's rough. Some beautiful hair. Thanks, Eric. Yeah, blessed / cursed with being half Portuguese. You get a lot of it. The stop is always the entry. I know. How long have I been in trading? Only since April. Right, Ronnie? This is pretty, I want to say epic, but I don't know. Some people might disagree with epic, but I think it's pretty epic. Okay, so it's hit the 50% of the 1 hour fair value gap. So is this where it's going to respect it and go back down? Very big sigh from a freeloader right there, but anyways. It's not, that's the thing. It's not always the entry. It's really not. And I have definitely done some back testing. Like I said, this is out of curiosity. I haven't even looked at the potential confluences, etc., to go with it, because I have adjusted it slightly that if, oh my gosh, there we go. If there's an order block, my stop loss needs to be at least above the 50% of that order block. So like I said, I haven't looked at anything. This was just a very brief, let's see what happens. That's why I obviously did not take this. I love tech, no. KFG in a long in ES. Ooh, from 685. Damn, well done. That's a very good one. Where is your TP? Is it near VWAP, or was it a little bit higher, lower? Where's your TP at? See, like this one I don't like because there's not enough confluences. Or are there? Where the hated leader? Oh, there it is. Like on the 5 minute, this is not terrible. However, what's not great is obviously the fair value gap below. So would probably have to look at a higher range. Like I said, I'm gonna kind of keep that. I know there's a lot of lines, there's a lot going on right now. I should maybe just delete that, then it calms it down a little bit. Oh, I love tech. That's good. That's not a bad one. Eli, that sounds interesting. The deadly art of stock manipulation. And David, this is where you're looking for a long red. Thomas, why are you still awake? I sounded very much like a mom there, I'm sorry, but why are you still awake? All sharp price movements, whether up or down, are the results of one or more, usually a group of professionals manipulating the share price. Ooh, Eli, that's okay. Ooh, nice, Kev. Because money had my name on it. Yeah, that sounds about right. That sounds about right. Ah, true. So you're done now. Erica, you've made all your money on momentum plays. Interesting. Akash, am I there? No. Let's see what happens now. I feel like this might be where something is decided. Okay, Thomas, so you are now just like done for the day. Hey, Akash, how's it going? I mean, I can actually stay a little bit later today, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if anything good pops up. Hey, Vaza, what up? And Michael Riggs, hey. Assad, this is Project X, and yes, this is live. And this is Nasdaq Futures. There we go. Welcome, welcome. How's it going? Structures moments away from fate. Let's see, David. Chicken. Why? Okay, Thomas, so now you're just living your best life. Are you gonna trade Friday or no? I don't know if it's worth trading on Friday. Hey, nice, Erica. That's awesome. Well, I hope you're having fun at least. Sorry, I know there's not much. Oh man. Check, this would have literally just missed me. I say just, but it would have. Just missed me by a few ticks and then up for a win. But couldn't have gotten in until confirmation at least. The longer range one would have been a loss. But again, like I said, I didn't double check confluences or anything. I did check it for this. Like I said, on the 5 minute, this trade wasn't actually terrible. I was not hating it at all. Just the fair value gap below was a little bit scary, but let's see. Now that we are going up, well, let's say Yeah, it's not up and away just yet, right? It hasn't reached that 32 level properly. Are we still thinking bearish? Jay, no, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. And future trading, you still thinking sells? Using external low to recent high. Val, I mean, so Ronnie, you want to see 0.7? Yeah, I'd have to get my fill. That's the thing. Wait, let's see what happens. I mean, on the 5 minute, it's not really, I wouldn't say it's respecting it properly. I mean, there's a second one. So let's see. And VWAP's up here. If you were trading, you'd load up a market order short and hold your breath. Sure. Cheers, KFG, enjoy. Like I said, I've been most likely not gonna get a trade in today on the London session, at least. Let's see what happens during New York. I'm trying to be smarter about these things, right? Not just hop in for willy-nilly. Cheers, Eli. So redraw the same range. But oopsie daisies. Okay, but you mean like this? Sorry, I'm just trying to understand what you're saying, Thomas. You mean like that, right? Is that what you meant? Oh, thanks, Nasdaq Ninja. It's hard. And FOMO is very much a thing. I mean, that would have been a win. That was pretty good. But KFG, I thought it had shut down. Is it not shut down? Is it shut down? I'm very confused. Defense stocks are a good place right now, really. 725. I mean, that would have been a beautiful tap in and a beautiful win. I think I would have just been a bit nervous. Let's see. Because it could have tapped into that order block at around the 50% level, which would have not been ideal. I mean, it would have been a win and it would have actually tagged me in, which would have been cool, but it looks like it's had its move and now it's chilling a little bit again. Thomas K. I think that's the thing. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. If we look at here, let's see if this would have worked, right? Because that's what, yeah, do you see? This would have just ticked me out, which would have screwed me and made me really upset. And now it's going down. But I mean, this massive bit of an engulfing candle. It's not always ideal. What? Why? Hey, Muzamil, how you doing? I can't complain. Lucas, no corset today. Wearing a dress, which is weird for me. No, don't. No, Devin, you're good. There's a lot of people up. Erica, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. But how do I put this? Be bold in a smart way? I don't know if that makes sense. Does that make sense? I mean, being bold is what screwed me over, like, with my previous strategy where I just did, like, market buys and market sells. So I was like, let's go for it. Disaster. Absolutely terrible. Okay, cool. I see, Thomas. Okay. You're doing great. That's so great. Stangham, you did call it. I mean, it did keep going up at this point for a little bit more. And let's see if it does start to properly go down now. I'm not sure. Hey, hobby economist. How's it going? How's it going? My strategy uses a combination of some ICT and SMC concepts. I can show you at this little range here. Alright, this would have worked. I drew it here, which didn't get me in. But if I'd used the smaller range, right, Thomas? Would have tagged in and gone up for a 2-hour trade. Entry is 50%. Exit? No, that's not right. Stop loss is 30% of the 50%. Yeah, and 2-hour up is TP. Yeah. This could be a B+ setup for bullish 6 tap. Oh, interesting. Erica, I hear you, but isn't half of some... Well, you also don't want to be in the nothing zone where you are losing. Focus, I'm not sure about that. I don't know about that one, to be fair. Bobby, this is very reliable and super simple strategy. And with what do you mean with regards to time span? Because it works on both the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, the strategy works on all the time frames. Trade success path, bearish, you guess. All time frames at once. Yeah. Sure. Problem solved. Right, but that's exactly it. I tend to use fair value gaps. I watch out for liquidity sweeps because then I know not to be in a trade because it could have a bit of a bigger retracement back down, which could hit my stop loss. I use liquidity as confirmation of it still might want to go up there. You know, there's a lot I take into consideration, but in general, it's a very simple strategy, which is why it's been working quite well for me. Heyo, Nox, how's it going? Nox, do you want to see what happened? This happened. It literally just did not move for basically an hour and a half. And then we got some movement up, so that was cool. And now we are about to find out. Is it consolidating again? Is it going to start moving again? Are we chilling here again in this range until later? Who knows? Hey, SMC, ICT, Trader USA, what up? Focus. Yep. 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 penny momentum plays. Really? Is that what you started with? I don't know if that makes sense. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, but I think unfortunately it just wasn't a trade day for me. There was this one potential trade here. But it is what it is. Devin, yes I do. Jay, really? Pepito, hi. This is Nasdaq futures. The micros to be specific, because I know obviously it looks a little bit different. Oh, Jay, I don't do that unfortunately, but then I'm gonna have to go and have a look at it because I'm genuinely curious. You think it's gonna just keep going up, up and up? Pepito? Sorry, I love saying that. What are you trading? How long have you been trading for? It was okay, Nox. Where have you been? How's it been going? Damn, Erica, nice. Oh, thanks, Sam. Jay, you can't say 100%. How do you know 100%? Oh, interesting. And how do you enjoy it? Sorry, my dog's sitting right behind me. Where's moving on? Hey, crazier inhumanity, what up? How long must the buy be in for? Thomas K, if it happens now. What, with regards to some momentum? Okay, got it. Crazier inhumanity. I'm good. I mean, today's been a bit of a meh day with, well, no. We still have New York, right? I'm gonna be back for New York, regardless. But I mean, with regards to this morning, it's been... And that's fine, right? I don't always have to place a trade every single day. Ooh, okay. This does kind of just feel like it's going to start chopping again. So I'm going to give it, let's say like 10 more minutes. And then I'm going to call it. Sam, are you in the vertical or the horizontal stream? Crazy, 100%. Some days may be good. Some days maybe I won't finish that sentence, but you know what. Ah, nice focus. Okay. Okay, I do. Luckily for me, living in South Africa, all the trading, London and New York, happens during the day. So I get to have a full night of sleep, which is amazing. Ah, that's why, Sam. If you pop out the vertical, go into my YouTube channel, you'll see there's 2 lives. Go into the horizontal, then you can see a little bit better with regards to P&L and balance and it. So Kiko, you're still waiting for the drop. Awesome. I mean, Erica, you know, I don't think it's as bad as some places. I'm not gonna, but it's still not great. Hey, South Africa, here we go. Interesting. See, Z-zone? Yeah. Break of structure that's going more up. See, I always find it super interesting or everyone sees the charts so differently. I know I say that all the time. I'm so sorry. I am aware that I say that often, but I still find it interesting how two people can look at the same chart and say, no, no, it's going up. And someone else can be like, no, no, this is down 100%. Whoop. Okay, let's see. Sam, no, I haven't. I've not taken a trade today. I mean, number one, I don't trade in the chop, so this was all chop. It would have just absolutely screwed me. I did miss the one trade here, but it kind of looks like it's choppy. It's just not a great day for my strategy. I know some people had a great day. Amazing for them. Unfortunately, this just doesn't work. Crazier inhumanity. I trade live every day, both London and New York session. Which pair do I love to trade on a daily basis? I mean, I'm sticking with MNQ. I'm sticking with MNQ for now. Like I said, until I am just better. Hey, check this one. I think would have tagged me in. Huh. There we go. This now would have come down. Oh, scared me properly. Let's see if this would have gone up. I don't know. Probably. Oh, okay. Hey yo, what's happening? Furthermore, I've heard it's not ideal at the moment. As we like to say, MNQ, well, just Nasdaq has been a little bit of a diva recently. Proper diva. Oh, damn, Thomas. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. 562. Oh, okay. So this one in the long run would have been a win. Cool. Noted. Let's see, we got... Ooh, okay, just tapped onto VWAP on ES. Six tap model for the win noise. Hey, Top Shelf, what up? Sam, when is the pullback? Good question. Everyone's been saying, I mean, it could potentially be now. It's taken some... Nope, has not taken some highs yet. But it has tapped onto VWAP on ES. Which then begs this question. Go away, fly. 2 minute. I don't know if it's gonna come back this far. This is not bad. I don't hate this trade. Live crop, this is Project X. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Yeah, it's fine. Can't be greedy, right? Fresh Lemon's what's starting to become hopeless. Go for it, Thomas K. Go for it. Like I said, this is a learning community. This isn't me saying, I know best. Listen to me, because I definitely do not. Please do not. Yeah, David, little bit. Your imaginary shorts having fun right now. Splish splashing. Like I said, this is a... This is a maybe. I don't know. I don't know. The fact that it's bounced into VWAP makes me a little bit nervous. Fresh lemons? That's dark as hell. Are you good? Hey, Ricardo. How's it going? Go away. Sorry, not you guys. There's a fly. Muzamil, I don't know about that. Sorry. Ricardo, it is 11. Make a wish. Oh, thanks, LP. Yeah, guys, if you're having... sure, we'll call it fun today. If you're enjoying the chit-chat and the community here, because let's not call today fun, because... Oh, it's been a slow one today, but that's fine, right? It is what it is. They can't all be super duper exciting. Let's see what New York brings though, but sorry, I went on a rant. Short story long, if you're having a good time and you're enjoying this, please press that like button. That would be amazing. There we go. Thanks, Thomas. Just a bunch of wee lads and blokes bloking and ladding around. I mean, yeah. OG Sama, how many tattoos do I have? A lot. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I don't think this is gonna come back down to get me in. Unfortunately, yeah. I don't think this is gonna come and get me. Give us a rant? No. Well, I mean, I can give you a very long rant, but not a politically incorrect one. Hell no. I am nice. Believe it or not, I don't like to start trouble. I am just here for the learnings and the good people to keep me entertained while we learn together. Right? That's the best way to do it. Interesting, Wizimal. Okay. Aw. Of course, Ricardo. That's what, you know, that's what we want. Well, it's what I want, at least. I can't speak for everyone. But that's literally it. Where do I anticipate the reverse? Hell if I know. I was thinking potentially once it's taken out these highs. However, it has just hit VWAP on ES and on the 5-minute chart on MNQ, so it could start shifting down now. Anyone thoughts? Yeah? What am I trading? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. 1 minute to go. I don't think this is a good idea. This might be a very bad idea. No. Ah, Ricardo, I can't use Top Step. I'm in South Africa. They do not support South Africa. But for those of you that are wondering, all my affiliates, they do pop up on screen. They are also in my link. No, that's not right. They're in the description. All of them support South Africa, and I am affiliated with them, which is amazing. So if you guys would like to support me, you can go check out which prop firm I'm affiliated with, and you can use my code. Again, if, you know, I'm not here to force people to do things, obviously. It's yesterday. There we go. Thanks, Mr. No. 45 OCB. I trade both London and New York session. Full coast what? No. Ricardo, I mean, there has been no complaints about payouts with any of the prop firms that I'm affiliated with. I made sure. Hey, Percy K, KZN. As of August, I used to be Gauteng side, but now KZN. Ah, This is not going to come far enough down, is it? Slash, this could be the shift down. Let's see. Super Egg TV, interesting name, interesting name. I'm good, okay, but I do think, okay, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna keep this up out of curiosity. Let's see if this would have been a win. I'll come check it out when I hop on for the New York stream. I think, let me just give my brain a breather between sessions. I'm gonna go do a little washing now that there's actually some sunshine. Been no sunshine, it's been raining for the past like week. Ooh, Aussie here. Oh, nice. Well done, 45 OCB. Ooh, listen, there's a lot, but I think Black Label's one of the top ones down here, Focus. Okay, but yes. Let me call it here for today. Like I said, guys, sorry that it was a bit more of a chilled. I don't know. I've actually been. I enjoyed the chill. Learned quite a lot today, and I stuck with my rules of do not trade in the chop. So I'm happy about that. I'm super glad slash chuffed. Oh gosh, English. See, okay, I need a break. So I'm gonna call it there. I love you guys madly. I will hopefully see you for the New York session if you guys are awake. If not, oh, thanks, Nox. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully we will do this. We're gonna crush the New York session. I'm kind of curious. I see there's like, yeah, there's a lot of news going on this afternoon. I'm super curious to see what the New York session does. So if you guys just want to come chill with me and watch the chaos unfold, I'm all for it. Let's do it. But like I said, I love you guys madly. And hopefully I'll see you New York session. If not, I will see you London tomorrow. Yeah, but I love you guys madly and I will see you later. Bye. And